Now that I have your attention, you refuse to be quiet. And thus, well, enjoy your new voices.
What new voices? Wait a minute. I sound like dog!
Yep, you sound just like me. And I sound just like cheese.
And I sound like the garbage man? Well, could be worse.
No, you sound like me!
I sound like girl? Ah! And if we switched voices, then...
Meow. 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 Meow.
Mouse! Change our voices back, now!
I shall. Once you realize what it's like to hear yourselves and agree to be more quiet.
Mouse out.
Don't worry, everything's gonna work out just fine. You'll see.